Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create a light and dark mode switcher in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you will see here some commands written, so just you can select all these commands and just right mouse click on it and copy this commands. Now you can close this web browser and just open the notepad application and just right mouse click on it and paste it here. Now click on this file, click on this save. Now just give a name here, google-team.ps1, and under this save as type just click on it. Now select this all files. Now click on the save. So our first task is completed. Now you can close it. Now just right mouse click on the blank area of your desktop home screen and click on this new and select this shortcut. Now you need to type some commands here again, so I'll be leaving this command again in the video description, so you can copy and paste directly. After that hit space, and now just right mouse click on the file which you have created using a notepad and select this copy as part, and now just paste it here by right mouse clicking. Now click on next. Now you can give a shortcut name, click on finish. Now just double click on this shortcut in order to switch from light to dark mode. So finally you can see it is converted into dark mode, and if you want to choose from dark mode to light mode, once again just double click on this shortcut icon. Now it will switch back to the light mode. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily create a light and dark mode switcher in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.